Exciting time.
Action.
Is that a wrap?
No. Not at all.
Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is such a special one because it's my first ever TV ad. Yes, my first ever TV ad. You heard that right. I'm so excited. It's such a fun concept. I am all ready. So yeah, let's get the day started. Right, hair, it's ready. I'm ready. I'm so excited. Let's go. So I'm literally just heading towards the location. The weather's okay, at least it's not raining, it's a bit clear. I think we're going to get some sunshine later on in the day, but yeah, the location of the shoot is the Millennium Bridge. Very beautiful bridge, so yeah, just going to go there. So I've just reached, I hope you can hear me by the way because it's a bit windy, but yeah, I'm at the Millennium Bridge. There's a Tower Bridge behind me, St. Paul's. So yeah, we're shooting on the bridge. Yeah, it's probably going to get busier, but relatively it's quiet. Like, it's not a lot of people. There's people going into work. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the rest of the crew to arrive. I'm so excited to meet everyone because I haven't met anyone before. I've just reached the location. We're shooting on the Millennium Bridge. We're getting a few shots over here, and we've got the rest of the crew joining us as well. Say hi guys! Hi. That's Katie from We Are 8. We've got Richard in the corner over there just setting up the cameras. And we've got Daisy and Andrew. Hi. We're so excited!
We are so excited, a bit nervous, but more excited.
A little nervous, but good nervous.
Yeah.
Okay. We're on the bridge now. We've just got done with our first shot, and now the guys are setting up the equipment for our main shot. And the main shot is basically me walking towards Daisy with a cup of coffee in my hand and doing a bit of a twirl on the bridge. Exciting time. Setting up the equipment. Guys, how do you feel?
Good so far.
Good.
So nervous, but we've cheers.
We've done.
Able to do one thing.
We've actually become friends now. Okay, guys, I'm doing a bit of a practice shot where I'm walking towards Daisy. So the idea is to have 2 coffees and do a bit of a walk towards Daisy.
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, I'm supposed to twirl.
Are you practicing? Okay. No, I'm not. That's actually great.
We got done with a few shots and we did a bit of me walking. Pretty iconic location, and obviously we've got the guys over there. Don't think you've met David. David?
Hello.
Would you like to be a part of my vlog?
Of course.
Well, hi guys, meet David. He
Hi.
is a dancer, a hip hop dancer, but I'll let you introduce yourself.
My name is David Cottle. I'm a musician, dancer, choreographer, and yeah, I'm here today on this We Are 8 shoot, filming some cool little content.
I know, we just saw some of David's dance and moves, and oh my gosh, I'm gonna learn a lot from him, so.
And action. Good job with that.
Well done guys! Is that a wrap?
Not at all.
Didn't say it cause I had no words. Didn't think that you could hear me. It didn't come out very clear. Try to put it more sincerely. It didn't happen cause I had no words. Didn't say it cause I had no words.
Do We Are 8 shout out?
Yeah, follow us on We Are 8. We're a new social media app. Do tag us at the rate We Are 8 on your social media accounts. We're there on Instagram as well, so come and check out our page. And we've got some amazing creators there. We've got an amazing team. So yeah, come check us out. So we had an amazing day of filming some content with amazing creatives and the team at We Are 8. Thank you guys, and I believe this is a wrap.
That's all right.
Woohoo! Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Social media has changed us, but our generation is waking up. We Are 8 is our force for change, where authenticity is more important than trends, and positivity is the main influence, where we control what feeds our mind, not some algorithm. And the real game changer, on 8, brands pay you and charities to drive positive change. So join us on We Are 8 and share the love with people and our planet.